The wrongdoers don't dream up these schemes to launder their money or to execute fraud. They are invented and facilitated by professionals working in the financial services industry. We have too many dishonest people, a lot of very honest people, but too many people who collude and support this wrongdoing. So we wanted to bring in what is called a failure to prevent new offence. That would mean that all the professionals involved in either fraud or money laundering could face criminal prosecution if they failed to prevent either money laundering or fraud. And we don't want that because we want to bang up into prison a whole lot of accountants and lawyers. What we know from previous experience is that becomes a very powerful incentive to encourage behaviour change, and they would then stop colluding with or facilitating fraud and money laundering.
I hope you liked the clip. Full episode can be found anywhere you watch or listen to podcasts.